What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Pixel 8 Pro. Of course, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing. So over here in the United Kingdom, the Pixel 8 Pro starts off at £999 for 128GB of storage and can set you back £1,179 for 512GB of storage. It's available in 4 different colours: obsidian, porcelain, mint, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the bay coloured smartphone. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and see what comes included with Google's flagship device. So if we turn the box around, you'll notice that there are 2 pull tabs on the left and right of the box. Now if we pull those tabs off and turn the box over, lifting the lid, it reveals the bay coloured Pixel 8 Pro sat atop. Now if we place this to a side, we get our first look at what other things come included with this smartphone. So the first thing we get is our documentation. Now within this you'll find some regulatory and warranty details, along with some health and safety and regulatory notices. And we also get our SIM card ejection tool. And the only other items included with the Pixel 8 Pro is our USB-C to A adapter, which is then followed up by our USB-C to USB-C cable. Now this cable has a length of around 1 meter. So then we have the device itself. Now I must admit, I am a fan of this particular colour. I've had a chance to see all of these colours in person and this certainly is my favourite. And I like the horizontal camera bar with all 3 of this Pixel 8 Pro's cameras, as it makes holding the device in one hand more comfortable, as you're able to rest your index finger against the camera bar. But enough about that, let me know what you guys want to see tested on this device, and if there are any other devices that you'd like to see this device compared against. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram and X, I'll leave them linked down below, or you can click the card in the top right corner to be taken to those accounts. But once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.